Hi, I'm Laura and I'm here today in Yarkham, Devon with David Barnes to talk about his retrofit. And if you could just tell me a little bit about the history of your farm.
It was a dairy farm. It's a 200 acre now. I'm just beef and arable. We've had rams basically always, so long as I can ever remember, these ram pumps. But they've always been the old cast iron type ram pumps.
Yeah.
I found them to be very unreliable. They were always going wrong.
Lots of maintenance
and
then.
Lots of maintenance. And the biggest thing I found, we putting in this papa pump, very little maintenance. It just goes on and on and on and on. And, you know, it's so easy to fit.
So any farmer, you think any general farmer would be able to install?
I would say that 90% of farmers could fit them themselves. I would say that they're very easy to fit. We fitted this one up in about 3 hours. You know, that was just putting the dry pipe down and connecting the papa pump. Yeah, it was very easy to do. You know, I could recommend it, and I do feel as well it's more efficient than the old type pump. You got more
more water, or
it pumps more water, yes, and also you can regulate it that much more easier than you could the old pump. You can cut down slower if you need to cut down slower in the middle of the summer when it's dry.
Oh.
But I found it to be very, very reliable. Oh. You know, you can go months without touching it. And in the middle of summer when the water supply do drop, I can cut this one down a lot lower. You know, it will work with a lot less water
before cutting out.
Before it cuts out than the old pump. But the other one, we was always messing with it, always mucking about.
So time consuming.
Very time consuming.
And not
yes.
cost effective.
Yes, that's right. I've known the other pump before now when it was playing up. Couldn't get it right. I've known to have to go down about 200 or 300 yards away from the farm. I've known to go down there sometimes 4 or 5 times a day. Now, I forget all about I got a pump.
Don't have to worry about it.
Don't have to worry. No, I found it very, very good. Yeah, very, very impressed. How I look at this pump is, what else can you buy that will pay for itself within 12 months? It is a dream. It's an absolute dream.
In terms of your water bills,
my water bills before, which was quite low, mine was roughly sort of £2,000 a year, and now they're back to really nothing, sort of £100 a year.
Can't complain about that.
No, so that's the difference. Yeah.